Okay, hello guys, my name is Jackie and I'm a specialized IELTS tutor. So this is the video to introduce the newest IELTS essay topics to examinees, and I hope that my video will be useful for your IELTS study. And if you want to get the newest IELTS study materials for your study, you can just send me email. And no matter nationality you have, you can send me email, and I don't care about your nationality. So you can just send me email to get the newest IELTS study materials. And if you visit my website, you can use various kinds of IELTS study things for your study. So you can just send me email and you can just visit my website to use free IELTS study materials. Okay, let me start. So today's topic is scientists and tourists can travel to remote natural environments, such as the South Pole. Do you think the advantages outweigh these disadvantages? Okay, as you heard, today's topic is asking you about if scientists and tourists take a trip or travel to remote natural places like a South Pole or deep sea, it is positive or negative. Okay, so this is topic about scientists and tourists traveling to remote natural environments. So let me start with introduction. There might be contentious debates regarding the issue of whether it is beneficial for scientists and tourists to travel to untouched natural places or not. The opponent might disagree with my stand. However, I strongly believe that taking a trip by them has negative effects on natural environment. In this regard, I will write this essay concerning my own opinions. Okay, so that is very easy and simple introduction which you can use for your IELTS writing essay. So if you want, you can take and modify my example for your IELTS essay writing. So if you look at essays written by me, you can find that introduction I use is very similar. So you can just take my example for your IELTS essay writing introduction. Okay, let me turn to body 1. In the body 1, I'm going to explain traveling by scientists and tourists could have some positive effects. And I'm going to explain why is the case. Okay, let me start. On the one hand, scientists and tourists traveling in natural places could bring about several positive results. Firstly, for scientists, it can bring them opportunity to explore unexplored world. For example, in the case of rainforests, Antarctic area, and deep sea, they are known to have the huge amount of natural resources. Hence, if scientists are allowed to travel to those places, it enables them to discover new resources and materials. Secondly, for tourists, through taking a trip in those areas, people can enjoy new world that they have never experienced before and broaden their horizon. So traveling by scientists and tourists could have some advantages, like if scientists can take a trip to natural and untouched places like Antarctica or deep sea or rainforest, scientists can have a chance to discover new materials and discover new resources. and they can carry out like a scientific research. And for tourists, people can experience totally new world and they can broaden their horizon. So that is the advantages of traveling by scientists and tourists. But on the part 2, I'm going to explain why it will cause more serious problems. Let me start. However, it will cause rather serious problems. The first problem expected is the pollution. In modern society, as environmental pollution is a serious problem, if intact natural world is explored and exploited by scientists and travelers, it will exacerbate pollution such as global warming and greenhouse effect. Moreover, although Antarctica, rainforests, and deep sea have been researched, many parts of them are undiscovered, which means that they are full of dangers which can harm people. In this aspect, scientists and travelers traveling to natural environments, it can cause severe accidents and unexpected problems to them. Thus, it is inadvisable for them to travel to those places. It is inadvisable for them to travel to those places. So in the part 2, I explained the negative aspects of traveling to those places. The first problem is if scientists and travelers travel to those intact and untouched areas like Antarctica or deep sea or rainforests, maybe those natural environments will be polluted by them and it will worsen, it will exacerbate natural problems, pollution. Also, those places, there are a lot of things about them have been undiscovered. So they have a lot of dangerous things. So if scientists and travelers visit those places, maybe people could be exposed to very fatal dangers, lot of dangerous things. So that is very negative. Okay, let me finish with the conclusion. In conclusion, taking a trip to naturally undamaged places will result in adverse side effects rather than positive influences. So my opinion is disadvantages outweigh advantages. Okay, so thank you for watching my video and I'm going to upload more useful videos. Thank you for being with me today. Thank you.